Alright, here's another snowplow video. This road's been done like, I don't know, done it 3 or 4 times since 9 o'clock. It's, I don't know, 4 o'clock now. So, you know, it's been done a handful of times. But, yeah, this is a big storm. And this is what we do in the big storms. You gotta go pretty slow because you can't really see where the hell you're going. Visibility is pretty limited. The other reason you gotta go slow is if you go too fast, snow blows over the snowplow and covers the windshield, and then you're literally slowed behind.
It continues to be a rough night on the roads around New Jersey, and you definitely don't want to be out traveling unless it's an emergency. The travel ban and state of emergency remain in effect throughout the entire state. We do have a closure on 78 eastbound after exit 40. That is due to a jackknife tractor trailer and numerous accidents on the Turnpike and the Parkway. All New Jersey transit service is suspended until further notice. Stay alert for crews and equipment along the roadway.
That's how we do a cul-de-sac.
Closures and projects to watch overnight. Find out beyond New Jersey on a 1.5. From the RWJ Barnabas Health Studios, this is New Jersey 101.5. February is Heartland. Don't let your heart health go unchecked. Get checked at RWJ Barnabas Health at rwjbh.org/heart.
Get into where the wind's really blowing across the field. Get some pretty good drifting going on tonight.
States Roadshow, gold and silver, old rings, chains, even broken jewelry. Bring it all. States Roadshow is 4 events this week in New Jersey. Kenilworth, Goldbridge, Miles River, and Cherry Hill. To collect your gold, silver, coins, diamonds, and watches, even broken pieces. And free visit your States Roadshow buying event. Get a free appraisal and cash on the spot. Prices of gold and silver are at all-time highs, so there's never been a better
What they're saying, it's supposed to go all night. Go through the morning, start tapering off around lunchtime or something. But won't be completely over until like 6 o'clock tomorrow night. Good snow to get a seat for snow to plow truck.
Today at the Estates Roadshow. Visit estatesroadshow.com or follow Estates Roadshow on Facebook to see upcoming events.
Our Senator Andy Kim and Representative Josh Gottheimer are standing up for radio listeners like us by supporting legislation to keep AM radio
All right, well, you have a good night. Stay safe
the value of local radio
and
in times of emergency.
drive carefully.
Now it's